Hello guys, this is Landile the farmer. Welcome to a new channel. Today I'm going to talk about biosecurity and the needs you need to do for biosecurity. For the first step, before you even enter the fowl run, you first need to clean your feet with this mat, as you can see, and you also sanitize your hands, as you can see what I'm doing. Cameraman, don't forget to do it yourself. Because if you don't do this, some of the chicks are going to get very serious diseases. And even before you enter, make sure none of your dogs, like mine, gets in. So if you know your dogs have diseases or not, make sure they don't enter, no matter any circumstance. So let's get in. Wait, cameraman, you forgot. Clean your feet and clean your other hand. So as you can see, we are here back by the power run. So make sure none of your dogs get move. And if your chicks do get sick, make sure you take it to the vet or ask the veterinarians for advice. And make sure you must give them a big amount of space. As you can see, once I open here, they all come running out. So make sure you give them freedom. So that's all about biosecurity. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We really need more followers, viewers, like and subscribe. So help me out to make more videos and help you guys out. Bye.